In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds from Payoneer to PayPal. Now, this process may not be as straightforward as you might hope, since there's no direct way to transfer funds between these two platforms. However, with a bit of creativity, we can work around this limitation. So let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Payoneer account. To do this, open your web browser and go to the Payoneer homepage. Once you're there, sign in with your credentials to access your account dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your financial transactions and settings related to Payoneer. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the menu and click on the Manage option. This is typically located at the top right of your dashboard. Clicking here will open up a sub-menu that contains various management options for your account. Next, from the Manage submenu, select Bank Accounts for Withdrawal. This section is crucial because in our workaround, we will need to involve a bank account to bridge the transfer between Payoneer and PayPal. In the Bank Accounts for Withdrawal section, you'll see a list of bank accounts that you've already linked to your Payoneer account. If you haven't added a bank account yet, or if you want to add a new one specifically for this purpose, you'll need to click on Add Account. Now, here's the key part of the process. When you click Add Account, you'll be prompted to enter the details of the bank account you want to link. Make sure this is a bank account that you can also link to your PayPal account. This is the critical step because once the funds are in this bank account, you'll be able to transfer them to PayPal. After you've successfully added your bank account to Payoneer, initiate a withdrawal from your Payoneer account to this bank account. This may take a few days depending on your bank's processing times, so be patient. Once the funds have successfully arrived in your bank account, you'll then move over to PayPal. Log into your PayPal account and make sure that the same bank account is linked. If not, you'll need to add it through the PayPal Bank Account Management section. Finally, initiate a transfer from your bank account to your PayPal balance. This step is usually quite straightforward, and once the funds have been transferred, you'll have successfully moved your money from Payoneer to PayPal. And that's it. While it's not the most direct method, by linking a bank account to both platforms, you can effectively transfer your funds. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy transferring!